Cador State Park is about to get a little bit bigger.
The Department of Conservation and Natural Resources has announced that 48 acres will be added to Cador State Park. The new land being added is the former Rohrabaugh property in Manheim Township, York County. It is located on the southern boundary of the state park. The property was acquired to buffer the park from the increasing residential developments along the park border. Park manager Warren Wernz gives us more information.
If you look at this map right here showing the park, Cador State Park is 3,500 acres. About 3,500 acres, about 1,275 is land. Now, long ago when they made these parks, we never expected the urban pressure of people building around the lakes and losing wildland and areas that were able to, for recreation.
The state invested $219,000 in Growing Greener II funds to purchase the land. The Conservation Fund facilitated the purchase with additional funds from an anonymous donor.
Very important for the visitors to the park is we have our swimming pool, we have other events, boating and all that, but most people more and more want to go hiking quietly in a peaceful place. So it will increase for people who want to do nature hiking.
In York, Courtney McKillop, WVYC News.